So it's a 2008 Honda Civic. So I've been super slow. The business is super slow this past couple of weeks. So I couldn't give you, or I couldn't make a good video because everything are replacement repair. Brakes, oil change, most of them are all replacement. And today I have no choice. I'm just gonna show you how to replace the serpentine belt for 08 Honda Civic. So anyway, it's not really an interesting video. There's a lot of video on YouTube of how to do this, but hopefully I can give you a better way of how to replace your serpentine belt for 2008 Honda Civic. This is two-door coupe. So let's go straight to the repair. So I'll be using a long wrench number 19. So over here, right there, where you can put the number 19. Yeah, right there, and then push it backwards. Okay, so that's the car, front of the car facing here. Then this, push it backward against the car, and then it's a little bit and then you can just, did you see that? Uh-oh. See that? It's loose now. I remove it from here, from the alternator. So I'll remove it from the alternator right here. Okay, see that? Okay, see it? See this? That's your alternator. This is your belt. Now it's loose. You can let it go slowly. There you go. Now you can remove the belt. Okay, we'll try to do it without removing the tire. I think we can do that. Let's see. Just gonna remove it. So I'm just gonna try to remove it on the top. Okay. I think we need a stick so you can see this over here. Hopefully you can see it over here. This is your serpentine belt. You can push it down. There you go. You can push it down. Takes a couple of try, but eventually we can remove this belt. Oh, come on, come on. It's really tough to remove it, but as soon as we can. Yeah, come on. Okay. Go. Come on, come on, come on. There you go. I can, there you go. Alright. That's the belt. so we can remove it from the top. It's the new one. Let's compare it. Alright, looks like they're the same. Alright, let's put the brand new one. So as you can see in here, actually there's a couple of a belt, I think, a couple of model, but basically this is the diagram of the belt. It is. Oh, this is without AC. I don't know why. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5. I don't know why this is without AC. Our is with AC. That's weird. But anyway, that's how it looked like. Okay. Okay. Alright. So basically we're just gonna start inserting this. Try to put it first on the power steering pulley, power steering pump pulley. I'll be using a stick to insert it. Okay, there we go. Takes a while, but I think we can do it. Nice. Okay. There you go. As you can see, there's the belt. It's already in the pulley. Okay, let me reroute this one, then I'll show you when it's you know, like it's already on the diagram route for this belt. So it takes a while to do it, but I think we can do it by just using a stick. Okay. Okay, so I already reroute the belt. So the only last part that haven't been connected is your alternator, this one. And I did use 2 stick, so use 2 stick. You don't need to open or remove the tire. And now we can try to connect it into the alternator. So we'll be using number 19 and push this. This is hydraulic, so this must be okay, hold on, it's a little bit tight. Okay, so just push this. Okay, it's so hard to show it to you, but again, same thing, just muscle it. I couldn't show it to you, but okay, hold on. Alright, so it's already in. So it takes a couple of tries, but eventually you can put it on. So again, you don't need to remove the tire. Only took me probably 20 minutes for this kind of job. Right, so let's start the car and let's see if everything is okay. Let me just double check it if it's connected properly, and it seems like okay. Let's start the car. Let me get the key. Good. Perfect. All right. That's it. We're done.